Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and in this really short video, I'm going to show you how to test your landing pages using Flodesk. So, for those of you who are building communities, or maybe you're building just a simple email newsletter for your coaching practice, or for your courses, or whatever it may be, having the ability to quickly split test the landing pages, or even testing a myriad of different headlines and kind of messaging, bullet points, all those sorts of things are really critical for optimizing your your audience engagement element. So in this very quick example, I'm going to show you here are two different landing pages for the same course that we have on our Mindful Marketplace community. This is not something I'm teaching. This is something someone else in the community is leading. It's for people who are, in quotes, highly sensitive people or personalities, introverted personality types or empathic personality types. Not something I know a tremendous amount about, to be honest, but we do have a lot of people who are really interested in this in our audience. So we've created this short course that people really seem to enjoy. So one of the things that I'm doing is testing different sorts of landing pages using Flodesk for converting this traffic. And what I found is, as always, with as those of you who are writing copy and creating landing page assets understand, that just changing very simple headlines can yield very significant boosts or bumps in terms of your conversion percentage. And Flowdesk really not only makes creating these landing pages exceedingly easy, they also make copying them and testing them really, really easy as well. So here's headline one: 21 signs you're an empath. Headline two: the 2021 empath quiz. This actually converted very poorly compared to this one here. So let's really quickly do this. And we are going to duplicate it. And now we have another version of it here. So now I'm going to go to the top here and change this to, and then I'll change this here. All right, so I'm doing that there, and I'm going to go to next. You can change all of this stuff as well, which I'm just going to skip. And you can see here, this redirects to a course on our private platform. You can also change this to display a success message. All this is very, very cool on Flodesk. And now I have this brand new landing page, which I can see live. And you can see now the text that I changed, the headline copy, it's all different. And I can now send traffic using a tracking link or just even the direct URL to, I can switch the existing tracking link to this URL instead. And then I can gauge by dint of how many visits that we served or how many people we served this variation up to, how many people converted to becoming subscribers. And you can just continue to optimize and improve and tweak and critique your own landing pages using this functionality very quickly using Flodesk. Okie doke. So if you have any questions, as always, send an email to mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com. You can also sign up for our Mindful Marketplace Flodesk. You can sign up for Flodesk using our Mindful Marketplace partners link. And if you do that, send an email to me, mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com, and I'm happy to send you some other additional free resources that we include for our clients and partners and folks who are part of our client community, including those of you who use any of our referral links to launch your own brands and businesses. Okie doke, teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you, as always, so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.